So collaborations are at the heart of EDRLab activity. We spend hours in discussion, written discussion, issue comments on GitHub, repos. All those interactions happen at usually a very high technical level. It's about solving complex issues in the best way for everyone now and in the future. Those technical discussions are fundamental, but we also know that they are not meant for everybody or everyone in the industry. There are a lot of people making use of our work who need a different type of interactions. And so it's crucial for us to make sure we hear, we understand, and take into account those voices so the standards and tools can respond to the actual needs. Reversely, it's fundamental that as much person as possible understand and work so they can make strong and informed choices when it comes to planning a product or service, to select formats or technologies, and also to understand that open source needs support and funding. We of course have a lot of communication activity to tackle that, and this summit is part of it. But we also know that it's in daily routines collaboration that deep understanding happens and that support and adoption become more natural. To foster that aspect, we participate in collaborative projects, most often under public funding frameworks. And I will briefly introduce the 3 collaboration projects we are actually working on. So you've heard this morning Emily presenting Soliman, a deep analysis of a large collection of ebooks that allows us to leverage the learning of ABELab, that was a previous project, in real-life use case. A very specific one, yes, but so say the ABELab report, there is no average in the European ebook backlist. So each use case is specific. The project is being funded by the French National Center for Books, CNL, and the outcomes are already very tangible, both for Phoenix, as we've seen, and for the community, who already use Radium CLI to automatically assess collection or unique ebooks and extract relevant information about potential accessibility features, war blocker, as well as the characteristic of images present in the files. We hope to complete this work with means to identify potential mislanguage tagging issues and also to be able to update files in prudent manners, including ways to identify the addition made automatically. Another CNL-funded project is about cross-publishing understanding of what makes the quality of an ebook. So we know that ebooks are complex objects and digital publishing implies constraints that are different from print. Some come from the technologies. We need interoperability, retrocompatibility, flexibility in ways to render content, and those come from societal consideration, sometimes formalized as legal injunction. But many publishers work both in print and digital content. They cannot deep dive into understanding complex technical consideration, nor multiply areas of expertise in typography, accessibility, sustainability, etc. So we try to tackle this issue in collaboration with the French Publisher Syndicate, the SNE, by creating a reference list for the quality of ebooks. It's, in a way, a vulgarization work to help communication between a person deeply involved in digital operation and others less concerned by technical solution, but still participating in content elaboration, project management, and decision making. The list is meant to be actionable, so apart from being available on the web as a pedagogical tool, it is also available as CSV and JSON, so it can be turned into an operational tool. That work is done through workshop with a variety of professionals, each side of a technical validation committee. There are around 20 persons that are participating today. It's done in French, and we maintain the quick translation in English. Thanks to Jamie, who will speak later. We have to follow up this work with other countries in the near future, and we are looking for partners. So let us know if you are interested to build a project related to the quality of ebook together. So there on the screen you see what is a list of rules. Rule number 1 says copy and reuse the right information is available. And the side you have what's inside a rule. So I'll let you check that, but keep in mind it's work in progress. On this topic of fostering understanding, we also cooperate in a large-scale European project, Thinkpub.eu, that bring together 12 players from European countries, from Bulgaria to Spain and Norway to Cyprus, to build collectively a set of curriculum courses, provide localized trainings, and collect pedagogical material to make them available from an online library that is open to everyone. It's already active. We will be adding content in the coming months. 5 main topics are addressed by the Thinkpub.eu community. It's management, technologies, marketing, translation, and reading. From this last topic, we were able to build the reading roundtable that we enjoyed yesterday. So that's it. You have an insight of the collaboration project, and as we are used to say at EDRLab, let's continue working together. Thank you.